Hi guys! Today I have a little do-it-yourself Mother's Day gift. I really was just making this for my mother-in-law, but then when it was done, I was like, oh wow, this is kind of cute. So I thought, why don't I film it? And it's actually Mother's Day today, and I'm going to meet my mother-in-law for dinner with the kids and my hubby, and I get to give it to her. So I'm very, very, very excited. I'm very blessed because I have a wonderful mother-in-law. Anyways, let's get started. So this is a little printable, is a little yellow rose. I did the blues and then I added some yellows through it, which was a lot of fun. This is my mother-in-law and my husband when he was very young. The back of it is just a little note I wrote her. So here we go, Happy Mother's Day. So you open it up and on this side, I have a bookmark with my husband graduating from preschool with his actual preschool diploma. And here is a little letter that my husband wrote his mother when he went to summer camp one year. So that's kind of cute. So I thought she would like that. And then I also found this. My mother-in-law had given me a bunch of the old pictures and some memorabilia in it. This was actually the instructions on my husband and when he was a baby, 1 month old, and what he should eat. So I thought that was super cute. So I hope she delights in this. So that slips under this pocket and the envelope and the preschool. There we go. And then this is a little portfolio I made of my husband. And then my husband and our children there. And then here are our children. We actually have two, so this is my oldest, and there he is, and this is my youngest right there. So I thought that was so cute. There we go. And then I used a big fat one of these to put it there. And then I made this little portfolio, which just has a tuck spot of my in-laws and my children, my husband. And then my little boy's there, a little older. And then I used a doily and I cut it in half to freshen this up, and I hole punched and add a little ribbon right there. So this opens up, and these are the more recent pictures of my children and my husband. And then I have this one here, which I love all these blues and whites. And then I added it up with the yellow to brighten it up a bit. And then here is a little card from a note to my mother-in-law from my husband. And in here, from her grandsons, which is cute because they're at Krispy Kreme donuts. And my son put a donut in love, and then my little son had something down there for her. So this is so cute. It was a lot of fun, and I know I'm going to be doing a lot more. Of all the gifts that life has to offer, a loving mother is the greatest of them all. And then there's my husband and the children. And so now my mother-in-law, she has this little portfolio, some snippets that is so much more personable than a store-bought card. And I had so much fun making it for her. Thinking about all that she does for my husband and her grandchildren. And I hope that she will really like it. So, happy Mother's Day. Do not forget your mother-in-law. She's very special. And do something fun for her. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you.